Hello, spring cleanse, morning tea. So for the first stage, your morning tea, if you're hungry, which maybe you won't be, so I've made it optional because when I have my shake in the morning, I am flat out being hungry by 2 o'clock because I just load it with so much stuff. So we're not about counting calories on this cleanse. It is not about that. We're using nutrient dense foods to keep us full, but also foods that are really easily digestible because we want to cleanse the body. So the morning tea is optional for the whole period actually. Now for lunch in stage 1, which is the cleanse stage, you're going to be having soups made in the NutriBullet. So they're really, really easy, and I'd like you, if possible, to keep them cold or even just lukewarm if possible. That would be great. And we're going to add, this is optional of course, going to add some minerals, which is going to remineralize the food, especially if you, actually even organic food has lost its minerals composition because the soils are basically dead now. They've just been raped and pillaged for so long. Very difficult to find healthy soils that have the mineral depth that we require for our bodies to have that complete, mineral coverage. So I've actually made a longer pipette now, so before you had to squeeze it twice, but now you just have to squeeze it once. But this has got 77 trace minerals, elements, and all the amino acids. And we're going to have this once or twice a day as you see fit. So put that into the soup. It has no taste whatsoever. It will just make it darker, and add it after you've blended it. So that's what's going to have what lunch will be. And then for stage 1, afternoon tea, you can have another shake. So stage 1 is just all about liquids. So you really just want to keep on the liquids for those 3 days. Stage 2, you can start adding food. So stage 2, we're looking at things like, for morning tea, fruit salads and things like that. And for afternoon tea, you can have any shake, or you can have maybe a handful of nuts, half an avocado, or something like that. In the afternoon, I'd like you to have some liquid oxygen. So liquid oxygen is really going to help the cleanse process. This is actually used for people who need to get rid of toxins in their body. There's oxygen therapy that does that. So including the oxygen in this cleanse is just a no-brainer, because it actually, not only is it an antibacterial agent, it actually really amplifies the detox process. I'm only going to get you to have 1 capful every serve that you have in your shakes, because I don't want to trigger even more of a detox response. This is really powerful stuff. This is like 3 times as powerful as most oxygen products on the market, which is why you only really need it once a day instead of 3 times a day. So yeah, just be careful with that. And so lunch and afternoon tea will be a little bit more substantial as the stages go on. So yeah, I'll talk to you about dinner in the next video. Bye for now.